This water-cooled module testing machine provides performance testing for module products such as load flow resistance and thermal resistance. The testing system is customized according to the product and testing requirements, including testing software, downforce cylinders, and fixture platforms. The equipment is equipped with dual channels and dual heat sources, which test independently. The equipment uses deionized water as the working medium, and the temperature control accuracy of the thermal resistance single-station repeatability test is ±2 degrees Celsius. The flow control accuracy is ±0.05 liters per minute and 2% full scale. The supply temperature and flow rate can be adjusted. This testing product is a customized equipment that can provide performance tests such as thermal resistance and flow resistance for heat dissipation modules, heat pipes, soaking plates, T-modules, water-cooled cycles, and various thermal conductor products. The testing parameters can be customized according to needs.